Mama made me mash my M&Ms. Mama made me mash my M&Ms. Mama made me mash my M&Ms. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah.
Hey yeah, hey yeah.
Hey Logan, there you are. I've been looking all around the museum for you. How is it that I can hear your voice all the way across the building?
That's because I'm using my muscles to project my voice and make it louder.
Huh. I'm not really sure what these have to do with your voice.
Not those kind of muscles, Danny. Your diaphragm.
Oh, bless you.
I didn't sneeze. Your diaphragm is a muscle right here in your stomach that helps control your breathing.
Okay, so like this?
Not quite. So what you just did was you breathed from your chest and made your shoulders move up. That's a shallow breath. What you want to do is use your diaphragm down here in your stomach, and if you put your hand on it, your stomach should move out. So a bad example would be, a good example would be,
Wow, that really makes a big difference. So is there something that our friends at home can do to tell if they're using their diaphragm?
There sure is, and all you need is a book. So what I need you to do, Danny, is I need you to lay down flat on the ground. Here is your book. Put it flat on your stomach and take a very deep breath. If the book moves upwards, then you are breathing correctly. Great. Now let's put our new skills to the test. Let's stand up and sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star using our diaphragms. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Thank you for joining us for today's Early Childhood Corner, sponsored by Catherine G. McGovern and McGovern Foundation. Today's Tot Tunes episode was brought to you by Phillips 66.